In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 11 computer.
Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video.
First of all, I'm going to show you the normal process to uninstall an app on Windows 11 computer. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, scroll down. Here you will find Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dot icon on Microsoft Edge and you will find the uninstall button is grayed out here. That means the uninstall button is disabled and you cannot uninstall Microsoft Edge in normal process on Windows 11 computer. Now I am going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Close Settings, click on Start menu. In search type REGEDIT. Right click on Registry Editor, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Registry Editor has been opened. Now expand SK local machine, then expand software, scroll down, expand wow 6432 nodes, scroll down again, expand Microsoft, scroll down. Now expand Windows, expand current version, scroll down. Here you will find uninstall, expand uninstall, and under uninstall you will find Microsoft Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge and here you will find a setting no remove, and by default the setting is enabled. Right click on no remove, click on modify. The value data is on, the setting is enabled. Replace it 0 and now click on OK. The setting has been changed. Now you need to restart your computer. Close Registry Editor, click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Apps. Then click on Installed Apps, scroll down, again go to Microsoft Edge and click on the three dot icon here, and now you will find the uninstalled button is working right now. Now click on uninstall button. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click on uninstall. Now click on yes. Hope in this way you can successfully uninstall Microsoft Edge. Now I am going to show you the another way. Close Settings, open Google Chrome browser. In search type Wise Program Uninstaller. Wise Program Uninstaller. Now hit enter. You will find the first link, Wise Cleaner. Click on Wise Program Uninstaller. This is a free tool. You can uninstall any app using Wise Program Uninstaller and you can download and install it completely free. Click on free download. Downloading the utility. Download has been finished. Click on open in folder. Right click on WPU setup and click on run as administrator. In user account control, click on yes. Close browser. Make sure I accept the agreement is selected and click on install. Installation finished. Just uncheck view the user guide and release log and then click on finish. The app will launch automatically, collecting all installed apps information. Select Microsoft Edge. Before uninstalling Microsoft Edge, you need to make sure you have already installed another browser, Google Chrome or Firefox or any other browser. Now select Microsoft Edge and click on uninstall. You'll find a notice, are you sure to uninstall Microsoft Edge? Just deselect, create a system register point before uninstalling. I don't need to create system register point, so don't need to select it, and deselect Scan for reschedule after uninstall. Now click on uninstall. Uninstalling Microsoft Edge. This is the easiest way to uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 computers.